Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between substitution effect and income effect. Substitution effect refers to the change in consumption that occurs when the price of a good changes relative to other goods, causing consumers to substitute one product for another. When a product becomes cheaper, consumers tend to buy more of it instead of relatively expensive alternatives. This effect focuses on how consumers adjust their choices between different goods due to price changes. On the other hand, income effect refers to the change in consumption resulting from a change in a consumer's real income or purchasing power. When prices fall, the consumer's real income increases, allowing them to buy more goods, and when prices rise, their purchasing power decreases, reducing consumption. This effect focuses on how overall consumption changes due to changes in income. So, let's look into the basic differences between substitution effect and income effect in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Substitution effect refers to a change in consumption due to changes in relative prices, whereas income effect refers to a change in consumption due to changes in real income. Number 2. Substitution effect is caused by a price change of a good relative to others. On the other hand, income effect is caused by a change in purchasing power. Number 3. Substitution effect focuses on substituting one good for another, whereas income effect focuses on changes in overall consumption levels. Number 4. Substitution effect is always related to price comparison. On the other hand, income effect is related to income variation. Number 5. Substitution effect moves consumers towards cheaper substitutes, whereas income effect can either increase or decrease demand. Number 6. Substitution effect causes consumers to switch between goods. On the other hand, income effect changes the total spending capacity of consumers. Number 7. When price falls, substitution effect leads consumers to shift to relatively cheaper goods, whereas income effect increases real income and consumption. Number 8. When price rises, substitution effect causes consumers to shift to alternatives. On the other hand, income effect reduces real income and consumption. Number 9. Substitution effect results in movement along the price consumption curve, whereas income effect results in movement along the income consumption curve. Number 10. Substitution effect is a pure price effect. On the other hand, income effect is a pure income effect. Number 11. Substitution effect applies mainly to substitute goods, whereas income effect applies to all goods including normal and inferior goods. And difference number 12. Substitution effect is one component of the price effect. On the other hand, income effect is another component of the price effect. So, these are the differences between substitution effect and income effect. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.